Hello everyone, there are many ways to upgrade your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. This is my video. We'll show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 with just a few simple clicks. Anyone can do it. First, click on the Windows icon, select Settings, then select Update and Security. If your computer meets the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11, it will appear in the Windows 11 section. Can install this. If you don't want to upgrade to Windows 11, select Stay on Windows 10 for now. To upgrade to Windows 11, select Download and Install. It will show a Microsoft notification. Then select Accept and Install to install. The device will download Windows 11. You wait for your device to download fast or slow, it depends on your computer's internet speed. After the download is complete, it will proceed with the installation, and you will also wait for the device to install for about more than an hour, so I will fast forward. During this process, you need to keep the power on. Let the machine download and install. After installation is complete, the computer will ask to restart to set up Windows 11, then select Restart Now to set up. Install the new interface for Windows 11. The computer will restart. You also wait for the computer to restart. And after restarting, it will update the new Windows version. After update, after about 15 to 20 minutes and restarting a few times, the computer has finished installing Windows 11. After upgrading to Windows 11, apps and applications are still not deleted. After upgrading, you need to update Windows. Update the necessary drivers for Windows 11. After upgrading, in your computer's C drive, you will have the Windows.old folder. You can delete it if you don't want to go back to Windows 10 to free up part of the drive. So I have shown you a way to upgrade your computer from Windows 10 to Windows 11 with just a few simple steps. If you find it interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to watch many other useful videos. Hello and see you again.